There's news, there's sense, and there's nuisance. This show is all about that last bit. We have a lot to unpack in today's episode, so sit back, get your thinking cap on while we laugh our way through what is really the tragedy of TV news. But first, Times Now has taken yours truly to court. Times Now wants rupees 100 crore for this.
Karare chane seller Rahul Shiv Shankar.
You know what else is hypocritical, Mr. Jain? Your news channel asking for Ria's arrest with hashtags like hashtag India for Ria arrest, and then your newspaper asking for her bail.
Big news coming in, big news coming in.
Those are some very expensive chanas. Now, in the good old days, this is how big media would have reacted to us chota mota log doing some chota mota jokes.
Dawn jokers cracking silly jokes. What a joke.
Yeah, what we did is called a joke. We used to tell them before people became offended by everything. मेरी नहीं, टाइम्स ग्रुप के मालिक विनीत जैन की सुन लो.
How many of you feel that political correctness is turning us into an intolerant, stiff, overly sensitive bunch of people who are easily offended by every little thing?
It's called a joke. We used to tell them before people became offended by everything.
Totally agree. Totally agree.
Totally agree.
You agree, Mr. Jain? देखा, नविका and RSS सीखो कुछ अपने मालिक से. Learn to take a joke. If we've learned to watch you make a joke of journalism every night, surely you should be able to take a joke on us, making a joke about you, making a joke about your profession. Spine तो है नहीं. At least have a funny bone यार. Learn to... Actually मैं क्यों बोलूँ? छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात हो जाएगी. अपने मालिक से ही सुन लो.
If you are on social media, you have to have a thick skin and never listen to trolls. When they criticize you, you should be happy that you are doing something right. In rare circumstances, they give you feedback to improve.
क्या जैन साहब, इतना ज्ञान ट्विटर में देने से अच्छा अपने एम्प्लॉइज को ही दे देते. It will save time for them, for us, and for the Honorable High Court. Anyway, 100 crore का तो पता नहीं, but we can't fulfill one of Times Now's demands. This is not an apology. Let's just call it a clarification.
Dear Times Now, we regret the heartburn that we may have unintentionally or intentionally caused to you through our work. While you continue to do your job of bullying your critics by taking them to court, we shall continue to do our work of calling out big media on their double standards and bullshit. और फिर आप the biggest of the big media हो, आपको तो कैसे ही बख्श सकते हैं. So basically, sorry, not sorry.
One of our missions as a news organization is to hold the media accountable. That is the reason why News Laundry was born in 2012. We have done it through our pieces, through our critiques, shows like Clothesline, Can You Take It, Nuisance and Tippani. This is part of our work. Critiquing the media is a big part of our work, and we shall not be bullied in our pursuit of holding the media accountable. And you know what else is different about us? Which allows us the kind of unprecedented independence that legacy media cannot even comprehend? It is that we are not funded by advertisers. No government ads, no ads from large corporations. We are funded by you. Because when the public pays, the public will be served. Which is why, please do contribute in keeping journalism alive and legacy media accountable. Go to newslaundry.com, click on the subscribe button and pay to keep news free. Now, last week on Sunday, a terrible tragedy struck my home state of Uttarakhand. Flash floods originating in the Alaknanda River in the Tapovan area burst through the Rishiganga Dam, wrecking the hydropower project there as well as the Tapovan project downstream. Rescue workers have so far recovered 28 bodies, while 200 people are still reportedly missing. For once, Aaj Tak's OTT headline didn't seem OTT.
पहाड़ों पर दबे पांव मौत की टिकटिक.
Sounds about right.
हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना पहाड़ों के पास ही चला जाए, जो पहाड़ सदियों से जिंदगी का तमाशा देख रहे, जो इस काल चक्र के सबसे बूढ़े गवाह हैं. हमारा अंदाजा सही निकला. थोड़ी सी खामोशी के बाद पहाड़ों ने अपने जख्मों के बारे में बताना शुरू किया.
Shams Tahir Khan sounds a bit like a scriptwriter from a Ramsay Brothers movie, but credit should be given where due. Aaj Tak had 6 reporters stationed on the ground who got us important details on what was happening with the rescue operation and also spoke to locals who've been severely affected by the flood.
48 घंटे से ज्यादा बीत चुका है रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन चलते हुए और इस वक्त आपको हम आज तक पर दिखा रहे हैं एनटीपीसी सुरंग का जो ये फ्रंट एरिया है।
बोलो बद्री विशाल की जय के जयकारे के साथ एनडीआरएफ और भारतीय सेना का एक दस्ता इस समय अब इस सुरंग के अंदर घुस रहा है।
जिस तरफ मैं खड़ा हूं ये गांव का पहला हिस्सा है और ठीक दूसरी तरफ इस दरिया के ठीक दूसरी तरफ गांव का दूसरा हिस्सा है और इसके बीच जो पुल है जो सामरिक दृष्टि से भी महत्वपूर्ण था वो पुल बह गया।
ये डॉग जो है वो इसलिए लाया गया है ताकि सही मायने में हालात का जायजा मिल सके और कौन जीवित है इसके बारे में पता लग सके।
हमने यहाँ तपोवन एनटीपीसी के नजदीक जो हेलीपैड है वहाँ से उड़ान भरी है जहाँ से, और ये ठीक नीचे देखिए ये एनटीपीसी का वो प्लांट है जो पूरी तरह से बर्बाद हो गया था।
The Uttarakhand tragedy occurred on Sunday night, so while channels gave it prominence through Sunday, by Monday prime time, all was forgotten because the dear leader gave our dear news anchors a new keyword.
पिछले कुछ समय से इस देश में एक नई जमात पैदा हुई है, एक नई बिरादरी सामने आई है और वो है आंदोलन जीवी।
अर्नब तो खुशी से फूल गया।
प्रधानमंत्री ने तब परफेक्ट शब्द का प्रयोग किया है ना, टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग परफेक्ट, अर्बन नक्सल परफेक्ट, आंदोलन जीवी सुपर परफेक्ट,
गोदी मीडिया परफेक्ट, चाटुकार पत्रकार परफेक्ट, न्यूज के नाम पे नौटंकी सुपर परफेक्ट. Close to 200 people missing, a flash flood devastating lives once again in Uttarakhand. There's just so much to discuss. Climate change, indiscriminate construction, आंदोलन जीवी.
देश की सबसे बड़ी बहस, क्या आंदोलन जीवी हानिकारक है, आज का आर पार इसी पर.
Watch what happens next. We have not edited the next clip in any way. This is actually what happened on a news channel.
आइए नजदीक से देखिए.
देख रहे हैं और रो रहे हैं.
ये देखिए वकील के पोज में, ये देखिए डॉक्टर के पोज में, ये देखिए इंस्पेक्टर के पोज में.
It continues.
राजा बाबू कहाँ तक पढ़े हैं?
पांचवी में 5 बार से, पांचवी में 5 बार से, पांचवी में 5 बार से, पांचवी में 5 बार से.
अगर आप भी हमारे तरह सोच रहे हैं कि ये राजा बाबू का सीन एक न्यूज चैनल पे क्या कर रहा है, तो ये सुनिए.
फिल्म राजा बाबू का ये सीन आज उन लोगों पर फिट बैठता है जो हर मुद्दे, हर आंदोलन के एक्सपर्ट बन जाते हैं.
न्यूज 18 थोड़ी सेल्फ अवेयरनेस और थोड़ी तो मर्यादा रखिए. यही राजा बाबू का सीन आपके एंकर पे भी बहुत सूट होता है, जो हर मुद्दे पे, हर सब्जेक्ट पे एक्सपर्ट बनके हर रात आ जाते हैं.
मास्टर टेलर अमीश देवगन.
आज सबसे बड़ी बहस 56 इंच वाला नेता कौन?
फॉरेन अफेयर्स एक्सपर्ट अमीश देवगन. बलूचिस्तान की बहनें प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को भाईजान मान रही हैं.
क्राइम मास्टर गोगो अमीश देवगन.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की मौत के तार कहां तक जा रहे हैं?
राइटर इन चीफ अमीश देवगन.
आखिर मंदिर के भीतर धोखे से नमाज पढ़ने के पीछे क्या मंशा है?
VHP स्पोक्सपर्सन.
क्या हिंदुत्व छोड़कर सेकुलर हो गए हैं उद्धव ठाकरे?
बजरंग दल स्पोक्सपर्सन.
लव, जिहाद और धोखा.
एंड इट कंटिन्यूज.
पीएम मोदी के समर्थन में लारे लग रहे हैं.
प्राइम टाइम में हर रोज फेल. नॉट जस्ट एंकर्स, इवन द पैनलिस्ट्स.
Meet Maulana Ranga, theologian par excellence.
Allah has specifically ordered that those who abuse Allah and His Messenger, Allah has cursed them in this world and the hereafter and prepared for them a humiliating punishment. 3357.
Meet Sherlock Nathan, solving murder mysteries on prime time.
The drugs angle not only provides a motive for Sushant's murder, it may actually result in the biggest cleanup Bollywood has ever seen.
Meet random monologue Nathan on farm bills.
These protesters, they don't want reforms. They want revolution. And they want it to be televised. Fed on sepia-tinted notions that equality and prosperity can be brought about only by socialism. Theirs is a heady mix of pride in their ignorance abject ignorance of human history and adherence to social Darwinism, which in itself is a mortal concept that misreads evolutionary adaptation for its nefarious means.
Meet Suhail Cliche Seth giving political advice.
You can disagree as long as you're not disagreeable. Governments can't come across goonishly. The Shiv Sena must realize that they are no longer the goons of Bombay. They are also the ruling party.
Meet Suhail Obvious Seth's expert take on Bollywood.
I think ultimately a producer wants to make a film that either does well, academically or creatively, or makes money. No one is going to put good money behind bad acting or a bad star.
Meet Suhail Kuch Bhi Pello Seth on farm laws.
People don't know. People are questioning the credentials of farmers. People are questioning as to who these farmers really are. Who do they represent? In all of this, you need balm. You need soothing. You need calmness. Sanjay talked about status quo ante. You need people to ensure that people don't lose their lives. We need to lose a few battles in order to win the war.
Meet Param Pujya Dharma Dhurandhar Ram Bhakt Ashutosh.
Ram is with us.
Okay.
Ram is Vinaysheel. Ram is polite. Ram is not angry.
Meet Ashutosh Drama King speaking on farm laws.
लेकिन सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी अपने दिल पर हाथ रखिएगा और कहिएगा कि क्या ये किसानों का आंदोलन ये पाकिस्तान स्पॉन्सर्ड है, क्या ये किसानों का आंदोलन खालिस्तान स्पॉन्सर्ड है, क्या ये किसानों का आंदोलन विदेशी स्पॉन्सर्ड है। अगर आपके अंदर हिम्मत है तो इस चैनल पे आके कहिए और डंके की चोट पर कहिए और उसके बाद आर्मी लगा के उनको हटाइए वहां से।
मीट आशुतोष, सब्जेक्ट कुछ भी हो, फेवरेट पंचिंग बैग यही है।
यू कैन गो बैक and check facts. There's not one case of love jihad in this country. Don't laugh.
I'm asking you.
No, I'm asking you.
Come on. Give me an answer. Is love jihad a fiction?
Don't be illiterate.
I'm asking you, is love jihad a fiction?
Just because somebody doesn't agree with your negationism doesn't mean that a person is illiterate.
No. Let him first take a position, Shubhrashtra, before we can agree or disagree. He doesn't take a position.
In a week where we have seen such death and destruction in a state, news anchors hung on to one word by the PM and made it a point of debate. Now, the Prime Minister's speech in Rajya Sabha is definitely newsworthy and something that should be covered in the news. But a debate on it? Here's an important thing that none of these guys said. When a leader is confronted with criticism from their own people, their first instinct is to listen. Because a big quality of being a leader is being a visionary. And visionaries throughout history have heard their people and worked for their benefit. When a politician is confronted with criticism, their instinct is just to blame the people, call them names like Khan Market Gang, Tukde Tukde Gang, Andolan Jeevi. Because politicians only care about power and being in power. More than 70 farmers have died during this agitation. The talks between the government and the farm leaders have failed, and the best response to this crisis is to call farmers names like Andolan Jeevi. Even if you believe the reforms are good for the agriculture sector, ask yourself one thing. Whose job should it be to convince people that the laws are good, and whose job should it be to bring people into confidence? This man and this man's government. But why do that when you can say something as disconnected with the real-handed issue, which is the farm laws, and call farmers names like Andolan Jeevi and have the entire media applauding you like cheerleaders with pom-poms?
डीएनए में हमने आपको राजनीति के राजा बाबू की कहानी सुनाई थी।
हमने आपको बताया था किस तरह कुछ चेहरे, कुछ नेता देश के हर आंदोलन में दिखाई पड़ते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री ने आज इसी प्रजाति के लिए एक नया शब्द दिया है और वो शब्द है आंदोलन जीवी।
देशवासियों, आज प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का वो रूप दिखा जिससे पूरा देश प्यार करता है। आज नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने देश विरोधियों की जमकर धुलाई की।
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने आंदोलन को हवा देने वालों और आंदोलन पर सियासत करने वालों पर जोरदार वार किया।
He stood up in the Rajya Sabha or upper house and heaped scorn on what he called were a group of Andolan Jeevis.
Has the Prime Minister very clearly unmasked the game plan of these so-called Andolan Jeevis? इन सारी की सारी बातों को सुनकर लगा मोदी की नीयत साफ है, नीति साफ है।
Moving on, some just really bizarre news.
How the Maharashtra government has launched this probe where its intelligence agencies will now investigate whether the BJP put them under pressure. This is just bizarre.
So bizarre, really.
When I saw this report first, I thought it's some kind of a prank or somebody's being sarcastic. I probed further to find out that no, the Congress, NCP, Shiv Sena government was serious. What's going on?
What's going on? And while we're at it, we'll also ask some questions that Rahul Kanwal won't ask the Delhi police and the man under whom Delhi police functions. An FIR on charges of sedition, criminal conspiracy and promoting hate. Delhi police? Really? So bizarre. You're filing a case against the creators of a toolkit on farmers' protest? What's going on? For some reason, anchors who rightly called the Maharashtra government cuckoo for investigating Lata and Sachin didn't quite find it bizarre or unreasonable when Delhi police wanted to investigate the Greta toolkit. Actually, for some reason, we know the reason.
This is just like bizarre.
Is it now mask off Greta Thunberg or Rihanna or Mia Khalifa? I mean, they were just the masks. Is it the Khalistani elements as Delhi police insists?
This is just like bizarre.
वैसे ग्रेटा थनबर्ग, मिया खलीफा और रेहाना सिर्फ मोरे हैं, इशारों का पालन करने वाली कठपुतली। इनकी डोर किसी अज्ञात विदेशी हाथ में बंधी है और आज उसी अज्ञात विदेशी हाथ के खिलाफ दिल्ली पुलिस ने FIR दर्ज की है। आज इस षड्यंत्र से आपको खबरदार करेंगे।
What's going on? What's going on?
What's going on?
Same but different. आपने फ्रेंडली मीडिया का तो सुना ही होगा, लेकिन फ्रेंडली मीडिया में फ्रेंडली फायर के बारे में कभी सुना है? Friendly fire is when in a battle you accidentally shoot down your own side. But when the battle is as noisy, confused, disorganized and chaotic as it is on times now, this is what friendly fire looks like.
Since you have been very condescending with me saying I heckle people, you will not allow others to heckle me.
Ma'am, you asked me to shut up once. You said mute the anchor. Now, no, don't get me started on things you've said.
Please let me complete. Please don't heckle me, Pranesh. Let me make my point. Yes, thank you.
Please be respectful.
See, the challenge for poor Pranesh and Shehzad is different, but same. Challenge for Pranesh is to try to cling on to some shred of self-esteem and journalistic pride, while the team who he bats for every night after night, has a representative who's lashing out at him most disrespectfully. So he has to save his pride from the party spokey, but he also has to suck up to the party that the party spokey represents.
Miss Verma, I'm not going to allow you like this. Things that you've said to me on the debate, and this is not the first time. This is not the first time. You're from saying mute the anchor to saying shut up. You've said it all. So just make your point.
हम उस संस्कार के लोग हैं जो हमारे पास को भी निकलता है तो उसे रोटी की बात पूछते हैं। अगर हमारे हाथ पे रोटी है हम उसके पैसे नहीं लेते, हम आजीविका है ये हमारी, इसे आप व्यापार बना रहे हैं, इससे हर भारत का हर नागरिक जुड़ा है। आप समझ गलत रहे हैं, मॉडल गलत है।
कुलदीप सिंह जी, आपके एक सवाल का जवाब तो मैं दे सकता हूं, जो बाकी जवाब है वो बीजेपी की जो स्पोक्स पर्सन है वो देंगी।
आपके एक सवाल का जवाब तो मैं दे सकता हूं, जो बाकी जवाब है वो बीजेपी की जो स्पोक्स पर्सन है वो देंगी।
Well played, Pranesh. Fine balancing act. The challenge for Shehzad is to side with the anchor who makes him relevant by putting him on prime time night after night. नमक का कर्ज भी तो अदा करना है, नमक का कर्ज भी अदा करना है, लेकिन फिर डियर लीडर को सलाम भी तो ठोकना है।
Don't heckle me, Pranesh. Let me make my point. Yes, thank you.
Please be respectful. This is not the way. No, sorry, Sanju Verma. I am a supporter of Mr. Modi's ideology.
I am a supporter of Mr. Modi's ideology.
But this is not the way you can abuse anchors, particularly those of Times Now. Sorry.
Well played, Shehzad. Fine balancing act. That's all the nuisance we have for you this week. We'll be back next week. Until then, stay mad. That's the only way. Thank you so much guys for watching this episode. If you liked it, please don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to News Laundry's YouTube channel. Please comment in this video so that we get some traction on YouTube, we get more numbers. We want to reach 1 million hits per episode, so please help us do that. Share this episode with your family, your friends, your chacha-chachi, your mama-mamis, people in your college, people in your school, people in your office. Just share this episode, make it go viral guys. And of course, subscribe to newslaundry.com. We also have a new NL Sena project to build an app so we can get you news reports, our video shows and podcasts in a smooth and seamless manner. So please contribute to our NL Sena project so we can create a News Laundry app very soon. NL Sena projects are special projects that News Laundry does. You can check the page out on our website and you can check this particular project, which is to make a News Laundry app and fund that project so that we have a new shining app, and you all can download that app and use it to access all our reports, our coverage, our videos, podcasts and everything. If you want to buy some NL merchandise like this lovely candle here, Pay to Keep News free candle, which smells lovely and shines the light of independent media, please buy this. I mean, you can buy this from our store. You can even buy this mug from our store. Both these products are available on our website, so buy them. It will not only smell some wonderful scent in your life and give you a great cup to drink your morning tea or coffee in, but it will also fund News Laundry and help media stay independent. So subscribe, buy our stuff, and of course, please share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you. See you next week.